Tired of only checking your hosting or email on a computer? Let's set it up on your phone's email app in just a few steps. First, open the Settings app on your phone. This is usually represented by a gear or cogwheel icon. Next, scroll down until you find either Accounts or Mail, or something similar depending on your phone's brand and operating system. Tap on that. Now, look for an Add Account option, and tap on it. This is how you'll connect your hosting or email. Choose Other or Manual Setup. This is important because we're going to enter the hosting or email settings ourselves. Don't select Gmail, Outlook, or Yahoo. Now it's time to enter your hosting or email details. Put your full email address and password in the appropriate fields. For incoming server, it's usually imap.hosting.com with port 993 and requires SSL. For outgoing server, it's usually smtp.hosting.com with port 465 and also requires SSL. Double check these details on Hostinger's website if you're not sure. Tap Next or Save, and your phone will verify the settings. If everything is correct, your hosting or email account will be successfully added to your email app. Now you can send and receive emails on the go.